YouTube, what's good, y'all? We back with another YouTube video. Now today we are gonna be doing a POV. Hope y'all enjoy the video. And yeah, YouTube, what's good, y'all? It's your boy CJ. We back with another YouTube video. We on our way to run some errands. I ain't gonna lie, this is going to be a talking POV. I know I haven't really been making too many POVs talking. Is that a Hellcat shouted? Nah, it's not. It's not. It like it might be a RT or maybe a RT or a GT. I don't know. The all black kind of threw me off. I don't know that shit. I thought that shit was a Hellcat. But today, shit, we just chilling. We just vibing. It's not early in the morning, but I did wake up from a nap. I ain't gonna lie. I did just wake up from a nap. But we are finna go drop something off, and that's what we doing right now. Not gonna lie. Y'all let me know, do y'all like the silent POVs or do y'all like the talking POVs? I ain't even really got too deep into the talking POVs, but shit, we finna we finna just vibe and talk, you know what I'm saying? Just chill. What in the fuck? What type of dog is that? I know this shit gonna be awkward. I know Twin staring at me in the rearview mirror, bro. Like, I'm telling you, I got a head mount on with on red as fuck too. Like, I ain't gonna lie, my phone is red as hell. So I know niggas is locked in on my, like, every car I drive past just staring at me. Like, I'm already knowing Twin. Like, niggas like, what the hell is he? What do he got going on? You know what I'm saying? But I'm just out here working type shit. You know what I'm saying? Got some cribs over here. That shit cool. I hope y'all day going good and shit. My shit been cooling. My day been cooling. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just vibing. Like, I'm literally just vibing. I got the seat rolled back. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no jams playing, but sometimes when I be in the car, bro, I just be talking. Like, I just be talking to myself. Is that weird? I just be sitting talking to myself. Like, damn. But I really get deep in thought, and it really helped me when I get to, like, the crib or something. Like, I get stuff done. Like, help me get stuff done and evaluate my life. Like, what is in front of me, bro? What type of challenge is that? I ain't gonna say too much. There will be some new stuff on the channel. I am gonna turn up the channel. Y'all are gonna get some new stuff on the channel soon enough. I just need y'all to be patient with me. I really am trying to get monetized on this channel, but hey, you know what I'm saying? Things happen. If we gotta wait, however long we gotta wait, then we gotta wait. But I'm gonna try to give it my all, as much content as humanly possible, much content as that I can think of. And yeah, what the hell is that? Oh shit. Y'all know I'm chilling when I got one hand on it. Damn, your motherfucker screaming, stinking ass. One thing about this car, there ain't really like no wind noise. Like, there's like none. Like, you can't hear a dang thing besides the engine, which is cool as hell. I ain't gonna lie, this Challenger hard. I like the black. I like the all black with the red lights in the back. That shit clean. That shit clean as fuck. This shit a little dirty. My shit a little dirty too. I ain't gonna lie. I need to wash my shit. But y'all trying to go to a car wash? We could go to a car wash. I ain't gonna lie. Shit, while I'm out, I could. Yeah. Got motherfuckers just staring at me. Like, I'm just seeing them. Like, I see their eyes, bro. Like, I just see them staring at me. Like, that shit crazy. The Challenger look cool though. At least from the back. But speaking on cars, like, man, I ain't gonna say too much, man. I'ma just keep it to myself. You know what I'm saying? I'ma just keep the shit to myself. Too much ago here. Man, I wanna be a part of my fantasy. Am I tripping? Is that his car that sound like that? So I got a Hellcat, or am I tripping? We gonna see when we pull up. We gonna see when we pull up. We almost at our destination though. Nah, twin. Nah, twin, that's a Hellcat. That gotta be. Or am I tripping? Or is that the Chrysler? I don't think that's his car. Am I tripping? I don't know. I can't really tell from the back, to be honest. All these goddamn Dodges look the goddamn same. Copy and paste, motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. Copy and paste. I might got like a few more Mopar in me. I ain't gonna lie. That might be cap, but shit, that's kind of how I'm feeling right now. Cause I swear, bro, this shit is just copy and paste. Like, no bullshit. Like, I don't know what that is. Like, the only way I know what that is if I'm beside it or in front of it. Type shit. Or this shit loud as hell. If it's loud as hell and got like some type of idle or rumble to it, then like I got some sort of idea on what it is. So far. Nah, that shit talking about something. Nah, that shit talking about something. It's something. It ain't no regular. It ain't my shit. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no regular shit. Nah, that's something. It might be a RT. I ain't gonna lie. Just by how it sound. It might be a RT. Ooh, ooh. Might be a little RT. Little RTT. RTT. Alright, getting a little cold now. Damn, I'm gonna run into the mailbox. Some mail today. Niggas finna a root surprise. Please tell me these motherfuckers open. Please tell me this shit open, bro. Don't bullshit me, bro. Please don't bullshit me, bro. Please don't bullshit me, bro. It should be open till 5, though. Hold on, we gonna see. Hold on. It is New Year's, isn't it? I think it is New Year's. Holy shit. You're bullshitting. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna pick y'all up in a second. Damn, this motherfucker close. Damn. Fuck. Where we going now? On to the next. I forgot today a holiday, bro. I'm tired of wasting gas, bro. Dang. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get y'all a little intro to the vid real quick. You know what I'm saying? This shit dirty as hell, though. Oh, shit. Hold on. Hey, man. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't pick up the camera for the rest of the POV, but you know what I'm saying? We did get a little plushy. Them motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? But we did get the car wash. We are getting the car wash and whatnot. I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy the car wash, I guess.